Alright, bago ang lahat, kung Motorstar owner ka or balak mo bumili, just so you know, merong lumalangit-ngit dito sa upuan pag inupuan mo. So, ang solution ko, linagyan ko ng goma. Tinanggal ko yung cover upuan, linagyan ko ng goma exactly dyan sa lugar na yan. Yung goma na yan, nabibili mo sa hardware. Parang paayan ng mga upuan or mga desk. Yan. Kasi ginamitan ko lang ng zip tie to hold it in place. Yun lang. Pagka wala akong makuha ganyan, medyo mahaba o malaki, pwede mong bawasan. Tapos yan, pagbalik ko ng upuan, wala nang tunog. Parang ang laki ng ginhawa. Yun lang naman. Good morning! It's 8:30 today. Doon pa yung oras para magpa-fuel consumption. Oh, by the way, if you're into photography or videography or you're a content creator, I recommend checking out Dehancer. Dehancer is a film-like color grading plugin. It's available as a plugin for DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Adobe After Effects and Premiere, Baselight, Photoshop, Lightroom, and Capture One Pro. You can also use Dehancer online to edit your photos. And since I like doing all my content on my iPhone, I use Dehancer for iOS. Let me show you. After downloading the app, the interface is straightforward. You can download immediately your photos and videos and choose any template or preset from the Dehancer team. And you can edit the preset even more in Edit, and you can edit the halation, the bloom, the film grain, and if you don't like it, you can dial it down a little bit to your liking. And when you're satisfied, you can save it and immediately post it to your social media account. More details on the description below.
I-calculate para tapos na kasi meron pa akong errands for this morning. Yeah, ito na yan. Yes, 91 full tank. And thank you. Tambay muna tayo dun. May aso. Ayun, dun tayo. Okay, off muna natin. So for fuel consumption, we have ito na naman. Ulit, mali. So, 670 minus 577, 93. So, yan yung 93. 93 divided by 2.832. Ayan. So, ito na yung pinaka-accurate na fuel consumption para sa akin. Ayan o, 32.8, almost 33 kilometers per liter sa sitwasyon ko. Ayan na po. I'm 93 kilos, 511. Yan ang konsumo ng Motorstar. Change oil already, gear oil, palit, tama, PSI, ito na. Okay, city driving to. Yun. Good. We have our fuel consumption already. Yan ako, 33 kilometers. Ayos. Sa ganong range, 33 kilometers per liter. City driving to. Kung long ride yan, mas tipid yan sigurado. Ayos. Okay, for now, tuloy na ako sa aking errand. Okay, normal cruising speed niya. Ang gusto niya, masaya siya sa 45 to 55. Hindi, mga 45 to 55 kilometers per hour. Nag-speed ka siya ng mga 75 yata last time. Pero ramdam na ramdam ko kayang-kaya pa niya lumagpas sa 75. Ano, 60, 55 to 60, komportable siya. Ang swabe pa rin. Pero nakakatulong yung windshield. Ewan ko. Okay na tayo. So again, sa mga nagbabalak kumuha ng Motorstar Legend, that's my fuel consumption with all my settings, pati yung driving habits ko, bigat ko. Yan, kita nyo na. So again, I hope this helps you out in your decision if this motorcycle is for you. Ride safe sa inyong lahat. Peace!